Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best locking pliers. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 locking pliers. Something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. Irwin Vice Grip Original Locking Pliers. A convenient and durable tool for around the house, these Irwin Vice Grip Pliers were the best rated on Amazon, with over 96% satisfied customers. Key features of these 10-inch curved jaw pliers include a quick release lever, heat-treated alloy steel construction, a non-slip grip, wire cutters, and a hex key adjusting screw to adjust pressure and easily press materials together. These locking pliers also come in an 8-inch version. Curved jaw with hardened teeth are designed to grip a variety of shapes from any angle. Classic trigger release provides maximum locking force. Includes wire cutter for more versatility. Constructed of high-grade heat-treated alloy steel for durability. One satisfied reviewer attested to their durability and the company's consistently high toolmaking level, and wrote, "I set this new pair side by side with my 20-year-old pair, and, except for the minor wear marks, they look, weigh, and feel virtually identical. Gripping force seems to be the same after reasonable testing as well." Number 2. Long Nose Irwin Vice Grip Original Locking Pliers. Rated the best needle nose vice grips on Amazon, these Irwin Vice Grip locking pliers are perfect for jobs that require accuracy in narrow, hard-to-reach areas. The 1.5-inch long nose is made of steel, has a jaw capacity of 1 5/8 inch, and the hardened teeth ensure a powerful grip, even on the smallest materials. A long, straight nose provides easy access to narrow, hard-to-reach places. Ideal for precision work and hobbies, includes a convenient wire cutter. High-grade heat-treated alloy steel construction. Hardened teeth for superior gripping. Meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. This grip tool locks and releases like normal vice grips and also features a wire cutter and screw adjustment. One reviewer explained, "These have very sharp and well-designed teeth on the long nose for a good grip on the part," and another wrote, "Quality mini locking pliers. My tips align perfectly. Great for hobby projects. The construction and finish are first-rate." Number 3. Irwin Vice Grip Original Locking Pliers Set. Rated the best needle nose vice grips on Amazon, these Irwin Vice Grip locking pliers are perfect for jobs that require accuracy in narrow, hard-to-reach areas. The 1.5-inch long nose is made of steel, has a jaw capacity of 1 5/8 inch, and the hardened teeth ensure a powerful grip, even on the smallest materials. A long, straight nose provides easy access to narrow, hard-to-reach places. Ideal for precision work and hobbies, includes a convenient wire cutter. High-grade heat-treated alloy steel construction. Meets or exceeds ANSI specifications. This grip tool locks and releases like normal vice grips and also features a wire cutter and screw adjustment. One reviewer explained, "These have very sharp and well-designed teeth on the long nose for a good grip on the part," and another wrote, "Quality mini locking pliers. My tips align perfectly. Great for hobby projects. The construction and finish are first-rate." Number 4. Leatherman Magnetic Locking. Offering 19 tools in one handy device, this heavy-duty multi-purpose tool from Leatherman covers almost all of the basic multi-tool bits, with the addition of regular straight jaw locking pliers, needle nose pliers, and wire cutter. One of its key features is that most of the tools can be used one-handed. Every implement is on the outside of the tool, quickly open and close every tool with a single hand. Includes all the essentials, from replaceable wire cutters to spring-action scissors to a variety of screwdrivers, ideal for EDC, home, work, and everything else. Even though some customers would have liked for the locking pliers to be spring-loaded with self-adjusting locking, one satisfied reviewer described that these locking pliers are well made and cut hard wire easily, while another added that they are very durable. The one-handed use is amazing. The locking feature is insanely strong and very easy to disengage. Number 5. Craftsmen Locking Pliers. These quality straight jaw pliers from Craftsmen are made from high-grade heat-treated alloy steel, and have an adjusting screw that manipulates the jaw opening and locking pressure, as well as an easy release feature. These versatile locking pliers have a rubberized durable non-slip grip that provides a comfortable and secure handle for everyday use. Strength and durability, adjustable pliers are made of high-grade heat-treated alloy steel. Adjusting screw, controls the jaw opening and locking pressure. Full lifetime warranty, Refer to the warranty and support section below for full details. Craftsman pliers have multi-zone bimaterial grips. One customer wrote of this vice grip tool, nice quality, still has a lifetime warranty, good handle, good spring strength, wrench jaws have good teeth. Another satisfied shopper added, the release on these is amazingly easy. Just one finger, so I can use them with one hand when needed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.